नमस्ते बिटिया। आई एम JBN डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, FEM, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। प्रोग्राम नेम BBA LLB बिजनेस मैथमेटिक्स। सेशन इज हाउ टू फाइंड इनवर्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, and this topic is also common for BA BCom honors 4th sem quantitative techniques. So problem is given here. Matrix A is equal to 1 minus 1 2 0 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 4. Find the inverse of this matrix. The procedure is, in order to finding the inverse of matrix A, first of all we have to calculate the determinant value of A. So determinant of value of A will be first element 1. This is even place, and 1. Cofactor of 1 will be 2 minus 3 minus 2 4. So multiplying 2 with 4, 2 into 4 minus 2 into 3, it become minus 6. Second place is again odd place, so minus of the formula, and the value is minus 1. Then cofactor will be 0 3 minus 3 4, and multiplying 0 with 4 minus 3 with minus 3 we get next. Again third one, this is again even place, so value will be taken positive, and cofactors will be 0 3 2 minus 2. So 0 is multiplied with minus 2, and 3 minus 3 is multiplied by 2. 2 into 0 minus 3. This is the expansion of this matrix, and after calculating we get the value minus 1, which does not is equal to 0. It means inverse of this matrix is exist. So formula of inverse A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Now we have to calculate the adjoint matrix of this matrix. So in order to finding the adjoint of this matrix, we have to find the cofactor of every element. First element is 1, so cofactor of one element will be 2 minus 3 minus 2 4, and solving this we get 2 into 4 minus 2 into minus 3 2. In same way A12, it is odd place, so negative sign is taken before the cofactor, and this will be the minus 9. Similarly A13, this is even place, so cofactor will be positive 0 2 3 minus 2. 0 is multiplied with minus 2, and 3 is multiplied by 2, and after calculating we get minus 6. A21, A21 means 2 plus 3 third negative, it is odd place, and cofactor will be 0 3 3 4, and after calculating we get 0. In the same way we have to find the 9 cofactors of this matrix. It is because there is 9 element in this matrix, so we have 9 cofactors. Arranging this cofactors, value of this cofactors at the place of the element A11, A12, A13, then transposing the matrix we get value of adjoint of matrix A, and we have value determinant A is equal to minus 1, so putting into the formula A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Determinant value is minus 1, so multiplied with minus 1 in this adjoint matrix we get final matrix minus 2 0 1 9 2 minus 3 6 1 minus 2. Again we have discussed the procedure of finding the inverse. So formula of A inverse will be adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Determinant value should be does not equal to 0. कहने का मतलब आशा ये है कि डिटर्मिनेंट की वैल्यू ज़ीरो नहीं होनी चाहिए। अगर डिटर्मिनेंट की वैल्यू ज़ीरो हो जाएगी तो मैट्रिक्स इन्वर्सिबल नहीं रहेगा, अर्थात हम कहेंगे इस मैट्रिक्स का इन्वर्स फाइंड आउट नहीं किया जा सकता है। यदि जीरो के अलावा कोई वैल्यू है तो तो इस मैट्रिक्स का इन्वर्स फाइंड किया जा सकता है। दूसरा नंबर पे हम इन्वर्स फाइंड करने के क्रम में मैट्रिक्स का एडजॉइंट फाइंड करते हैं। एडजॉइंट फाइंड करने में प्रत्येक एलिमेंट का हम कोफैक्टर्स निकालते हैं, कोफैक्टर्स की मैट्रिक्स बनाते हैं, उस मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज कर देते हैं तो हमारे पास एडजॉइंट मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ए आ जाती है, और उसमें डिटर्मिनेंट ए की जो भी वैल्यू है उससे डिवीजन कर देते हैं तो हमको ए इनवर्स प्राप्त हो जाता है। आई होप you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it.